Hey everyone, Heidi's cooking hour is back again. Yeah, I hate cooking, but I don't want to leave the entire burden of cooking to Frank, so I do like whipping up tuna casserole sometimes. My mom called it Tuna Tetrazzini, so this is her recipe. I remember her cooking this up when I was knee-high to a grasshopper and loving it. So I'll show you how I make my tuna casserole. It's pretty simple, nothing complex, but if you make tuna casserole and you use different ingredients in that, let me know, because I like to kind of switch it up once in a while. So I use 2 cans of tuna. I use the spaghetti. I use either a can or 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Tonight I think I'm just going to use the 1 can. Curry, grated cheese, mushrooms, and breadcrumbs, and some paprika. So I have already cooked the old spaghetti, so I'll drain it. And then I got my greased dish here. So I will put my drained spaghetti. Oh, did you notice? Look at it is 5:30. It's 5:45 at night, and it's still light out. Yay! That means spring's coming. Okay, are you done? Are you done? Are you done peeing yet? Okay, good enough. Okay, that goes into the bowl. And then in a separate bowl, I mix up the tuna, the mushrooms. I just use canned mushrooms, which you can use fresh ones. And I just mix this all together. Oh, it smells good. I'm getting hungry. I've already preheated the oven to, what is it? 375. So this gets all mixed together, and then I put it in with the spaghetti. Like so. I like the chunk-like tuna, like the chunky tuna's better. The rest, my mom always just put the 1 can of tuna in, but hey, the more protein, the better, right? So, so I just mix this in as much as I can. And then, her recipe called for 1 teaspoon of curry. Where'd I put it? Where'd my curry go? Oh, I use a medium curry. I use probably about quadruple what it calls for. I just put tons in. The more curry, the better. Ooh, yeah, go nuts. And then continue to mix it up here. So yeah, if you have any other ingredients you'd like to throw into your tuna casserole, sometimes I put peas in also. But yeah, any suggestions? I'm not very creative when it comes to cooking. It's not my thing, but I don't mind this recipe. I mean, it's just, you just cook some spaghetti and just make a big mishmash of stuff. All right, so everything's all blended together. And then I usually grate my cheese, but I'm kind of lazy today. Oh no! There's mold. There's mold. Alrighty, well, anyway, I'll have to grate up some cheese. So anyway, you grate up the cheese, put that on top. The more cheese, the better. And then I take some croutons, and I put the croutons on top. And then, hopefully, I got some paprika. I really got to organize this cover better. Where's my paprika. Oh, there it is. Good old Hungarian paprika. So I put the cheese on, put the croutons on top, and then finish that off with some paprika. So anyway, I'll have to go grate some cheese and get my croutons out. But anyway, once those are on, I put it in the oven, and just basically until the cheese starts bubbling. So usually, I don't know, 15 or 20 minutes, or not even that much, and then it's ready to go. So that's my wonderful tuna tetrazzini. Again, if you have any ideas to add to this, any secret ingredients you'd like to put into your tuna, let me know. But anyway, yes, quick and easy, that's the way I like it. And so, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you later. Bye.